Hello everyone, this is Teresa, Guohao, and Jiaxuan from Section A04 Station 5, and welcome to our final design video. The main goal of this coffee design project is to make the best coffee using the least amount of energy. And in the rest of this video, we will present how we aim to achieve this goal, some of our brewing information, and some improvements that we think we should make in the future. First, let's start with some brewing information. The type of bean that we used is Panama Geisha washed. The roast level we used is 976. The final TDS of our brew is 0.94%, and the PE of our brew is 14.53%. And next we are going to present our process flow diagram. We first roasted 120 grams of green coffee beans, and because the roasted beans weigh 105.3 grams, so our gas escaped from this process is 14.7 grams. We then grinded 60 grams of these roasted beans, and then we put them into the French press. We heated 1,100 grams of cold water in the electric kettle, and then we used 1,000.6 grams for the brew, leaving 80.4 grams of unused water. The final brew of our coffee weigh 927.6 grams, and our moist coffee grounds weigh 133 grams. And subtracting all these water from the initial cold water, we get that the steam escaped from this process is 19 grams. Then it comes to our sensory evaluations. When we smelled the coffee, it felt like there's some lemon-like fragrance to it, and when we taste our coffee, it's a bit heavy in its bitterness and it has a low sourness to it. Our blind testing score was 14.08, and our final score, accounting our energy used, is 82.25. Our energy used for our roasted beans is 0.16 kilowatts per hour, and because we only used 60 grams of our roasted beans, so the total energy for roasted coffee actually used in our brew is 0.09 kilowatts per hour. And the energy used to heat our water of 1,100 grams from 26 degrees to 90 degrees is 0.08 kilowatts per hour. And adding the energy from roasting and from heating the water, the total energy used to produce our coffee is 0.17 kilowatts per hour. Then we are going to talk about our logic behind our design choices for energy minimization. First of all, the use of Panama Geisha washed green beans is due to the experimental results that we got, that Panama with less roasting time compared to Sulawesi is less sour and had similar level of bitterness to it. This could help us achieve similar tastes with less energy by reducing the roasting time of the green beans. Also, the use of French press could help us press the water out more efficiently, and this could help us save water and thus the energy for heating that water. Also, we decided to heat water to 90 degrees because this reduce in temperature would not have a very significant effect on the taste of the coffee and could help us save energy. And of course, our coffee is not perfect. So here are some future improvements that we think could help make our coffee better. First, we think that it would be better to grind our coffee beans at the day of brewing to protect its fragrance. Also, setting the water temperature to 94 degrees might be a better choice because it will not increase a huge amount of energy, and it is considered to be the fittest temperature for a good tasting coffee. And then we think that the extraction time should not be longer than 6 minutes because when we used an extraction time for 7 minutes for the final brew, the coffee tasted too bitter, and we think that less extraction time could help improve taste of the coffee. That is all for our design video. Thank you all for watching.